Who do you think invented the first air conditioner? Let's find out. Is it Thomas Edison? Would it be Willis Carrier? Or Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is Willis Carrier. Engaging fact. Willis Carrier invented the first modern air conditioner in 1902. He designed it not for personal comfort, but to solve a problem at a printing press in Brooklyn, New York. The high humidity was causing paper to expand and ink to smear, so Carrier developed a system to control temperature and humidity, revolutionizing industries and eventually creating the foundation for modern air conditioning.